All right, so we're going to apply this vinyl decal right there. So I've already cleaned. First step is make sure you clean your frame of any debris. Use some rubbing alcohol if you have some. If not, a nice cotton cloth and water. Make sure it's very dry before you start doing this. Vinyl stickers have a backside. That's the side you want to remove. It's the one that you can't see through. It's all white. That's going to stick to the bike like this. But you want to keep the front sticker, the applicator, in place because it's what holds all the letters together. So the first step is you got to carefully find the seam, and you got to carefully peel away the actual, and you can see sometimes it doesn't come up, so you got to work it a little bit. Sometimes just getting your fingernail in there. You do it letter by letter until they all come off. So you go very slow. Try not to touch the actual back of any letter. Again, another one that's not coming away, so we're gonna just work that a little bit. Go back, catch it. So we keep working it slowly. Everything should be done slow. Take it slow and easy. And if you have a problem where a letter starts to come off, just put it back on. Rub it hard with your finger. The back of your fingernail is a good idea because that seats it onto the applicator. And then it should come off with the applicator. So once you're done, you don't need this, get rid of it. Now you have your sticker, right? And you're gonna carefully line it up along where you want it on your frame or wherever you're applying it, on car window, whatever. So I'm gonna do that. So line up one side, get it in line, and then start from one side only with your finger and just rub slowly and carefully along the way. And do a good job of rubbing the actual letters. Even sometimes, like if you had a roller or the back of your fingernails, really gets the letters to stick to the frame. The applicator will stick to the frame too, and that's okay, because it peels off more easily than the letters do. And the same thing I did before, grab the applicator, peel it back, and then slowly start pulling it off, and watch the letters as you go, and sort of side to side, back and forth. Keep an eye on the letters. If a letter starts to come off, just go back, rub it a little harder, try again. If you need to, maybe get a very sharp knife or your fingernail in there. So if you just carefully pull it back like this, slowly and surely, it will come off with the actual decal intact. So this is PBStuffCo vinyl decals, laser cut vinyl decals. Thank you.